Ain't no sneaking no pot when your boys out to eat, y'all. We at this new spot. They said they've been open for a little over a year now. This thing, hold on. We have 5th Street Burgers out here in Mesa. About to give them a review. Y'all let me know. I'm about to let y'all know how it's gonna taste. Y'all, we back. Just got to the crib. Hey, we about to try this thing, y'all. So I got the spicy Western burger. They done had it, but they... Sprite and lemonade. Chili cheese on them. The chili cheese fries. Oh. And I washed it. All of this is fresh. Y'all see the stain. With the onions. Oh, it's been a minute since I had some. It's been a minute since I had me some good chili cheese fries. That's good chili. Ooh, daddy. Lord. Ooh. No sauce. Gonna go in the bite. Oh. Oh. I don't know what sauce this is. I can't talk right now. This is good. I think it's like the barbecue sauce that go on this. Oh yes. Oh yes.